Hello, my name is Mayalti from Natural Science Class 2019. Well, this video I will discuss about wow, 1000 million lightning strike happen every year in tropical region.
Research STRE in Pananam released a dramatic map in the journal Global Change Biology showing the tropic, the location of the lightning strike across the area, beside on ground, and stated that they estimate that more than 1000 lightning strikes occur on land each year, which will fundamentally transform forests and other ecosystems between the Tropic of Cancer and Mount Capital. How is lightning affecting tropical ecosystem everywhere? Lightning causes about 8,032 million tropical trees to be damaged every year. About a quarter of the tree can die from injury. Is there a relationship between the number of lightning strikes and the ecosystem biomass and climate variable? They found that in forest, savanna, and urban area, lightning strikes were more common than in grass, scrub, and agricultural land. Forests with more lightning strikes each year have fewer, like, like 3 per hectare. This is probably because the large individual trees in the forest are more prominent. The transfer rate of wood biomass is high. However, there are still many problems that must be resolved immediately. No one knows why some trees survived the disaster while others did. Although it is possible that trees have developed ways of dealing with this some threat, with climate change and increased pollution, hot air over the city will increase the number of lightning strikes there. What is the impact of vegetation in urban area? Esther E. Richard and author Helena Muller-Landau said, this is by far the best evidence to that lightning is a major disturbance affecting the dynamic and structural of tropical forests. We suspect your study is seriously underestimate the overall impact of lightning. He added that lightning strike can play a major role in their forest biomass or carbon cycle not only in tropical forests but also in other tropical ecosystems. Aspect of lightning in terms of physics, namely relate to the process of lightning. There are two theories for the occurrence of lightning, namely ionization and friction between clouds. 1. Ionization theory. Lightning is a natural event, namely the process of electrical discharge that occurs in the atmosphere. This is due to the accumulation of negative and positive free ions in cloud. Electric ion are generated by friction between clouds, and also this ionization event is caused by change in the shape of water starting from liquid becomes gas or vice versa. Even solid becomes liquid. Free ion, you cap the surface of the cloud and move with the wind the blow. If the clouds are collected in a place, the ion change cloud will have a potential difference that is sign to strike the earth's surface. This is called lightning. 2. The theory of friction between clouds. The extremely strong electric area causes the air around this cloud to split. It cloud beside that they split. Air formed a cloud it short circuit as if there was a long metal path connecting the cloud and the earth. This is how splitting is described. When a very strong area of electrical occurs, the conditional will ripen, so the air will split. The electric area causes the surrounding air to spread the positive ion charge and the electron ionized air. Always remember, ionization does not mean that there are more negative ion or more positive ion than before. This ionization means that the electron and positive ion are very far apart from previous molecular form or atomic structure. In essence, electrons have been uncovered from the molecular structure of ionized air. Seen from the chemical aspect, Chemically, when lightning strikes, the air can reach high temperature of around 30,000 degrees Celsius. In addition to flash of lightning usually causes thunder, which is the result of a sudden enlargement of the air. This incident turned out to cause chemical changes at the molecular scale that changes the atmosphere at the local level and also left a distinctive aroma. It was explained that air contains about 78% nitrogen and about 20% oxygen. Usually, these two substances cannot exist in the form of compound element in the atmosphere. The two compound will partner as N or O in the atmosphere, and when lightning makes the air hit the bond between the compound, the air split so that the individual nitrogen or oxygen atom can move freely. Most of the atom will repair as the air cools. However, there are some who make changes to the order. There are several atoms that combine with O and produce O, or we know it as ozone. Usually, there are only a few in number, and they have a distinctive aroma. Only then is it very easy to smell when lightning strikes. The chemical benefit of lightning: 1. From gamma rays. 2. Thicken the ozone layer. 3. Maintain soil fertility. 4. Kill germs and bacteria. Seen from the biology aspect, the benefits of lightning in terms of biology are still closely related to chemistry, namely 1. Maintain soil fertility. 2. Kill germs and bacteria. Lightning also has danger when studied from a biological perspective, namely 1. Destroy trees. Trees can be destroyed with lightning strike. When the lightning hits the tree, it will travel right from the bottom of the bark where there is a layer of sap and air. This layer instantly becomes hot and expands, causing the bark to come off the tree and sometimes splitting the trunk. 2. The condition of the body that was struck by lightning. A. Damaged skin tissue. B. Burned blood vessel. C. Heart failure.